Let me walk you through this 5K account, this journey that I'm into. So this October 22. So let's do October 21 being Tuesday and today October 22 being Wednesday. I've already do the one of October 20th, which was on Monday. I've already done it on the previous video. So let's go for yesterday. Yesterday was a crazy day. I can't lie for you. Yesterday, because if you check me, if you look what I'm doing here, I focus on market structure and POI. I just have only one buyer, which is the bullish side. I prefer to buy SAUSD down to sell SAUSD. So whenever I'm seeing the seller, I'll just prefer to stay away from the market. So looking at this market now, you can see this October 21 being yesterday. Yesterday the market was just dropping. I was waiting for my criteria. So if you check here now, my criteria, there is no break or structure. So there was a point that I begin to force trade. Now, yeah, let's assume that there was a break or structure here. And let's assume that I put my POI. Okay, let's assume that I put my POI. But I did not take this one on because the seller was so aggressive. You see that there was no a reaction. Market did not react to our POI. All right. So let's go. Okay, this is where I take the trade. This was towards in the afternoon. The days is already running out, so it just be as if that I want to force a trade. And now I plot this zone here. Let me show you this zone. So you can see that the market break this zone, but even though it break this zone, where I was expecting the market to break was here. So when it break here, I said that okay, the buyers are coming, and I put my POI to be here. So when I put my POI here, the market initial time, I put my POI here. Let me show you where I'm coming. Okay, this is our POI. So the market close bullish candle. I enter anticipating that our 1:4 was somewhere here. Then it went down again and take me out on loss. Then it closed bullish again. I enter, put my stop loss below. It went down again and take me. I was just eating SA yesterday, almost if not by God's grace, I could have blew the account. When I mean blew the account, I could have breached my rule on this 5K account. So let's go through the history of yesterday. So don't forget to watch this video to the end. Make sure that you watch this video to the end, because when you watch this video to the end, you understand the progress that I'm putting out here. So let's watch the one of yesterday, October 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 21 being yesterday, just yesterday, October 21. Okay, so you can see the history of yesterday. All the buy that I take was loss. And this account, the rule that is attached to this account should not lose more than 250. Anything that make me to lose more than 250 in a day, it's as if that this I can appreciate. But if I did not lose 250 in a day, I can come back the next day and trade. But overall, I should not lose more than $500 on this account. That is the agreement with the company. You understand? So this is a 5K account. So now I'm on challenge one, phrase one. So that was that was what happened yesterday. So let me go through to today's trade, which is October 22. Now being today. Okay, there's no need to customize. I could just put it today. Okay. Now see the progress of today. Yesterday I was down $200 something, and if you check the progress of the first episode, you will see that we are up around 70 something dollars. Now yesterday I was down $200 something, but check out today profit. Now today profit, now I've made 400 and something dollars, notwithstanding. Check this profit, I'm still running in $100. So if they should add this profit of $100 plus this profit that I've already closed for 36, that means I'll make $536 today, being October 22. So today is a good day for us, you understand? So guys, just make sure that you are following me. So I will just do one or two. I don't want to make my video to be too long, as before, so I'll just go straight to this trade. I might not explain everything, but just understand that we trade market structure and POI. You understand? So let's go to the chart. Now market structure and POI being today. Today now is October 12. When you see October 12 now, today now. So this is the first trade that I take in the morning. The first trade that I take in the morning, and you can see that the market was breaking structure here. As it broke structure here, so this was our POI, and it was a very sweet trade. Then the market come to our POI, close bullish here. Then I enter. Immediately I enter, let's do our 1:4. Let's do our 1:4. That was a very sweet trade that I have in the morning. So you can see our 1:4 was around. I'm coming. Our 1:4 was around here. So you can see it was around here, something like that. It was around here, more than 200 p. So if you check it now, those are the first trade that I took that give me $99. You can see that the first trade was $99.75. So now looking at this now, that was the first trade. Then the second trade based on our POI again, you can see that the market, this is our POI. You can see that the market, I take the trade and it hit loss. So it dropped aggressively to the downside before, and I focus here. So this was our other trade that would take, making profit here, take another profit, making profit there, another one here. I don't want to explain much again because this video is becoming long. Okay, so trying to, so now this trade now, I pick this trade when the trade was here. I make profit and I get out from this trade. Then when it pull back again, I make profit just like that, But all, so I decided to hold this last one to prove to you that there is money in trading, guys. So let's see how our next episode will be. If God so help me, our next episode might be that I've already met up the target by taking this account to making a profit of $500, making this account to be $5,500. Okay, see you guys next time. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and do it to like, share, and turn on your post notification. You understand? So thank you.